What's up? Turn up. Put your hands up. Put them up. Back to the boom.
I'm just stuck here in a dream. At the bottom of the ocean, I'm at the bottom of the sea.
Hey!
Forward to welcoming you on board again and wish you a very pleasant day here in San Francisco or safe and pleasant onward journey. Thank you, goodbye, and auf Wiedersehen.
It's 7:15 p.m. local time, San Francisco. It's Sunday, 2nd of June. I've picked up my card, my Snowflake badge.
The city smells of weed and dog shit everywhere.
And I'm ready for the Snowflake Summit. I'm also dead from the travel. It's been a long flight from Frankfurt, but looking forward to seeing what's going on at the summit.
Oh man, this is so soft.
It's about to start. People are pouring in from all sides. I feel kind of creepy filming this, but I hope it's okay. Let's have a look what's inside. This is the registration area. It's wild how many people are here, just passing by all directions, and people filming, people getting credentials, badges, and then going to their conferences. Let's see. Let's check out the booths. There's so much going on here. This is the Builders Hub. There's a lot of demos going on here. People are just coming in and out. It's incredibly busy. I can't describe how many people there are here. I've had a lot of people asking me questions. I was just by chance at a booth, but it's really fun to get to know other people and see what they're doing. Let's have a look at the partner booths. There's over 200 partner booths at Snowflake Summit. I'm just going to check on some of them and show you how that looks like. Snowflake Keynote is about to start with the Snowflake CEO and the CEO of NVIDIA.
Hello, I'm Benoit.
Hello, I'm Thierry.
I'm Allison.
I'm Abdul. We are so excited to welcome you to Snowflake Summit.
When Snowflake was founded, our mission was to make it easier for people to work with all kinds of data.
Today, we're still doing it. And our next chapter is to make it easier for everyone to use AI, the most powerful technology we've seen in our lifetime.
Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us. No more data movement required.
Hello! Snowflake Summit! Anyone excited? It's clear that the models get better and better for your use case. That's why Universal Search shines. Let's see how. We are aware that you got on board very early on containers for Gen AI. This is
Did you say coffee?
Two teams, too many problems. How they solve it? With Snowflake. Increase sales per truck, but how?
Great for SQL and that, but I would also like to be able...
Is that right? Let's go!
Yeah, that's a lot.
All right, so let's move on. I'm going to run this cell. Now, we're going to identify those stronger.
I'm applying for a job at DBT, if you haven't noticed. Snowflake Summit 2024, Golden Gate Bridge. I had to finish this video here. Hundreds of partner booths, thousands of visitors. I've talked to so many people, so many happy Snowflake customers. I've learned so much. Cortex, Horizon, everything AI. It's now time to put that in practice. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.